today we'll study chapter 5, identifying networked resources and computers. And in this chapter we'll learn about basic concept of domain name and URL, and we also see about networking protocols and differences between MAC address and IP address. So let's start this chapter. First you will see here we have learned that a website is a collection of interrelated web pages. So we already created our web pages using HTML in previous chapter, and we know website is a collection of interrelated web pages. A web page is a document that can contain text, graphics, sounds or videos. So we also know this, we can insert information in the form of text, graphics, sound or videos. And the website we have created, the web page we have created, can be viewed in a web browser. So this hands-on activity we have given here, web browser are application software used to view web pages. So write name of five web browsers commonly used in case of following. If we are using our computer and smartphone, so you have to write at least 5 name of web browsers, like we use Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. So just write 5 web browser names. You already know about web browser. You have designed a website in a school and you wish to open the same on the computer at your home to show it to your parents. So the main point here, that we have created or we have designed the website or web pages, we want to open it on different computer or same computer, we want to show it to our parents. You also wish to show the web page created by you to your aunt or anybody. So what you will notice, the web page you have been created or copied cannot be seen on the internet like other website. So what its main thing that is here, that the website we have created, it can't be seen on internet, and the main reason behind it, that the website created by you is saved on your computer, and the website we have seen on internet, that is stored on web server. So here the concept of web server, that is web server, you can understand web server as a huge computer which stores data or websites etc and respond to the commands given by us on the internet. So basically one example is also given here, that just like a storekeeper stores all the products, and storekeeper keep records of all the products in his store. So just like that, web server is a huge computer which store uh, all data, which stores data like websites or web pages. Just like a shopkeeper have records of all his uh, products. So web server has records of all his data like website or web pages, and the storekeeper issues the item to the customer. So just like that, web server also issues website on request to client. So you can see here the client server technology, this term is given. In real situation, there is a client server technology working behind this. So what is client and what is server? You can see here, the server is a computer which stores all the web pages or website data etc. And what is client? The client is who send the request to the web server for the data. So these commands are given by us on the internet. We are the users, we give the commands on the internet, and the result or output of these commands are provided by the server to the computer giving these commands over the internet, and these computers is called client. One more term we have, what is client computer? The web browser is open on computer, on which computer we are using, we as a user, we are using the computer and the web browser is open our computer, that computer is referred as client computer. So just look at this image, the client is here, client request sent by our computers on through web browser, and then you can see there is server stores all our data, server respond or web page sent by the server computer to web browser. So server send or responds to client, and it sends the pages or first page, you can say first page, that is home page, to the client.